If you're moving from MINDApro to MINDALive, you're going to need to manually export and then import some of your groups. Some groups should already be in MINDALive. The blue groups, for example, are permanent groups. They'll be there already. Same with Nate groups. Groups that you've set up or modified, you'll have to bring across. Feed groups, dynamic groups that you've created, and pick your own groups. This tutorial will show you how to do this. The same process applies for all types of groups. Just right click and export group animals. This will ask you where you'd like to save the file we're going to create. In this case, I'm just saving to the desktop. Save. Okay. And then we need to go over to MINDALive. Now that we're in MINDALive, we need to navigate to the groups section, which is under herd management. And then click on the groups tab. Now all we have to do is come across here to import a group. And come in here, make sure you're on the desktop and select the group we exported from MINDApro. There you go, it's that simple. That's how you export a group from MINDApro and then import a group into MINDALive.